Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi everybody. In this lesson, inshallah,
We are gonna
are the beautiful
explore
rules of tajweed, which help us recite the Quran correctly and with clarity, okay? Tajweed makes every letter sound as it should, given the recitation, its beauty and precision.
we are gonna start with one of the most important rules
الترقيق
of
والتفخيم.
lightness and
بارك الله فيك.
heaviness.
Understanding the difference between light and heavy letters help us pronounce Arabic sounds properly and recite the Quran as it was revealed. Let's get started with the heavy letters. We can say that the heavy letters eat too much, so their sound is heavier than others. Okay. And the Arabic alphabet has 7 heavy letters. And the Arabic alphabet have 7 heavy letters are gathered in the phrase خص ضغط قض. So I mean that the heavy letters in the Arabic language are the letter خا, صاد, ضاد, غين, قا, قاف, and ض. Okay, بارك الله فيكم. So when I write, for an example, the letter قاف, the letter قاف is a heavy letter, okay? Is a heavy letter, is a full mouth letter. So what should you do to pronounce the letter قاف properly? You should raise the back of your tongue while reading the heavy قاف, okay? بارك الله فيك, and any other heavy letter. And the opposite to the heavy letters, the light letters, you should lower the tongue toward the lower palate, making it rest independently at the bottom of the mouth. It means lowering the tongue so it stays relaxed and positioned at the bottom of your mouth. Okay, so the heavy letters, raise the back of your tongue. Okay, but the light letters lower the back of your tongue. Okay, and the light letters are the rest of the letters. Okay, except we have 3 letters. These 3 letters may allow the 2 cases, lightness or heaviness. These are 3 letters. The first is mad with alif is a mirror. Follow the letter before it. And you can say that mad with alif like a mirror, okay? If the letter before it is light, mad with alif also is gonna be light. And if the letter before it was heavy, also mad with alif is gonna be heavy. For an example, if I say to you, قال, what is mad with alif? It is in the middle of the word, okay? If I ask you about the rule of mad with alif in this word, it is gonna be light or heavy. What should you do? You should check the letter before it. If the letter before it is light, it is gonna be light. And if the letter before it is heavy, it is gonna be heavy, okay? Now, look at, the letter before alif is the letter qaf. And qaf is light or heavy. Qaf is heavy. So mad with alif also is gonna be heavy, okay? Barakallah fi. Now, to give you another example, when I say to you the word Sarah, now, when I ask you about mad with alif, is gonna be light or heavy? You are gonna check the letter before mad with alif, because mad with alif is a mirror for the letter before, okay? So the letter before alif is the letter sin. So mad with alif, sin is gonna be what? Sin is gonna be light. So mad with alif is gonna be light.